In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the products on your site. So what you'll do is go to your URL for your demo site that you've been given, and you'll add /wp-admin to the end of the URL. And that's where you will put in your username and password that we've given you and log in. So once you're in, what you need to look for is this black column on the left-hand side and the word products. That's where all your products are going to be located. So you can see there are 99 items. You can scroll down and scroll through and see the name of the item here, whether it's in stock, the price, and then the categories. So in order to edit a product, what I'm going to do is click on the name of it, and it's going to take me into the product, and then I'm going to scroll down, and this is where I have my product data here. And what we're going to do is look at variations. So under variations, we have these different sizes. So we have this print comes in a note card, an 8x10, and a 5x7. So if I click on it, it's going to expand. And then I've got the price here, and then I can manage the quantity here. And you can see that this button is clicked here, manage stock. So as long as that's clicked, there should be a quantity option for you. So then how many of these 3x5 note cards do I have? That's where that quantity will go. Here's the price if I need to change that. And then I can collapse that again. And then let's look at this one. Okay, manage stock is selected. The price is 15. I have 2 in quantity. Right now I think everything is set to 2. So then once I change it, I'm going to click Save Changes in the bottom, and then I'm going to come up here and click Update in the top right hand corner. So that's how you're going to edit the quantities of your products. So I'll go back to all products, and we can look at them again real quick. I don't know why my internet is going so slow. So let's take a look at a t-shirt to see how that one works, and it works basically the same way. So what I'm going to do is click on it, scroll down here, and I want to go to variations, and then it's going to show you all your different sizes here. And manage stock is checked, and you can see that the price is here and the stock quantity is here. And so then that's how I can update it. So I've got my Shamrock t-shirt. Okay, so how many extra smalls, small, medium, large, and so on and so forth. Then you'll click Save Changes and click Update. So that's how you would go through and edit the quantities on all of these items. So it looks like this I must have duplicated, something that we already had. And if it says draft, then that means it's not published right now. So that's the only one like that, it looks to be. So these all are going to work the same way, and right now they all have 2 in stock. And if you want to, if you know the name of the product you're looking for, you can search for it here. So let's say I'm looking for the Sparrow product, then I can search for it and it's going to pull it up for me there. You can also select a category. So then if I only want to see prints, I can filter it that way. So then I can see all of my prints if I just want to work with those first. And it looks like if you see when you go through, some of those are, like this one looks like it is categorized wrong. So what we would do is come in here, click shirts, because it's not a print. So if something is wrong, you can update it, or you can make a note of it and let us know that it's wrong. Again, if I want to select a category, so prints, let's go to prints, look at only prints, and then Let's see if any other shirts pop up. So here's a shirt. So what I want to do is say this is a shirt, not a print, and update it. And there's another one here. I don't know why my internet is being so slow. It's usually not this slow. It's much faster. So I see that there's a couple more that are wrong. So I'll go ahead and fix those since I'm in here. And go back to all products. And if you want to add a new product, you can do so manually. And so what I would do is if you are wanting to add, whether it's a print or whether it's a shirt, I would find a shirt product and duplicate that product, or find a print product and duplicate it, and then you don't have to really do much at all. So let's say we want to duplicate this one. So whoever comes to me, I'm going to duplicate. And all I need to do is change out the name of the product here. So slide down to wherever we were, and then I would change it here. And then go to variations. It looks like we have the 8x10 print here and the 5x7 print here. So what I would do is change the quantities out on that. Come over here, change the image out. And if I need to upload a new file, I can drag it here and select it. And then I would save my changes here and then click publish here. Or you can save it as a draft if you're not sure. Doesn't really matter though, because these are easy to delete or edit. So if you publish one, it's not going to mess up anything. So I'll save it as a draft. And if you need an additional variation so for instance, this one that I just opened, it didn't have the note card option. So what I would do is find another product that had all the variations you were looking for, and then duplicate that one and just do what I just did. So, whoops, that's not what I want to do. Wings of a Dove. Let's see if this one has all the variations. Okay, so this one has 5x7, 8x10, 3x5 note card. And so then I would go through and I would probably duplicate this one, just so that I wouldn't have to make those changes on my own. So that should be a helpful way to get you through. It looks like right now these are in order of when they were published, but we can do it by name. We should be able to do it by name, so then that they are in alphabetical order. If that is how you have your list set up, then you can rearrange it in that way, and then just go through the list. And you can again rearrange it by name and filter it just as prints or just as shirts, or however you want to do that. So I think this should get you where you need to go as far as making edits to the inventory. If you do run into more questions, please let me know and I will be happy to help you. But I think this will get you going.